In this review, bullet blenders are personal blenders that have a single serving jar shaped like a bullet. This jar is flipped upside down to connect with the motor base, and you push the top of it down to blend. You can then drink directly from a bullet blender's jar, thanks to the usually included lip ring or to-go lid. Although Magic Bullet is the brand most associated with this design, several other manufacturers produce similarly shaped and sometimes even better performing blenders. Kitchen Ever present Top 5 Best Magic Bullet Blender. Let's get started. Number 5. Sinkerd Personal Blender. Don't be fooled by the compact size, the Sinkerd countertop blender packs a punch. During our blending test, it produced exceptionally fine coffee grounds and velvety smoothies. The max fill lines were easy to read, and the blender was even easier to operate. The portable, slim design takes up virtually no kitchen counter space. This means you can leave it out, so it's more accessible for busy mornings. The only complaint we have is the Sinkerd is not the most powerful option, and the blending cup capacity is minimal. However, if you want a compact option that whips up a mean beverage, you'll be pleased with what the Sinkerd has to offer. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. The first thing we noticed with the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender was the cup design. This tapered wide mouth cup has a shape akin to tumblers and fits well in vehicle cup holders. We noticed how good the Hamilton Beach was at blending, especially given the price. We like the fast and easy setup along with the multicolor options. On the downside, there are a few things the Hamilton Beach model is lacking. First, the lid is not the easiest to pop on and off. It also leaks. This is not due to a defect, but rather the lid design. The quality and material are cheaper than other models, and the smushed together fill lines are not the most convenient for measuring. On the other hand, you can make a solid frozen beverage for a reasonable price. Number 3. Oster BLSTPBWBL My Blend. We were pleasantly surprised by how well the Oster My Blend pureed hummus and blended frozen fruit for a personal-sized bullet blender. The portable cup is good for those on the go, while the capacity is ideal for a single serving. While the operation process is straightforward, actually getting the Oster to blend was another story. The blender turns on by pushing and turning the blending cup into the motor base, which was somewhat finicky. We often had to try multiple times to get the blender to work. The sporty design is also not the most attractive option. That being said, the Oster will serve those who want a personal-sized blender. Number 2. Ninja BN301 Personal Nutri Blender. The Magic Bullet MBR1702 food processor is a 17-piece set that includes the original Magic Bullet blender with a 250-watt motor. It's a 17-piece set that consists of a crossblade, a flat blade, 2 cups, 4 mugs, 2 sealed lids, 2 vented lids, 4 colored comfort lip rings, and a recipe book. The attachments are BPA-free plastic and are dishwasher and freezer safe. Plastic construction can wear down and crack over time. Fortunately, replacement containers can be purchased separately. The unit is covered under a 1-year warranty with replacement parts available. If you don't have the storage space for the extra accessories, you can purchase the Magic Bullet without them. Number 1. Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet MBR1101 blender is an 11-piece set with 2 18-ounce containers and 1 12-ounce container, 2 storage lids, and 1 sipping lid. It also includes a guidebook to help you try out new 10-second recipes. It has the versatility to make smoothies, grind coffee, or blend your favorite guacamole. The attachments are easy to clean by either rinsing immediately after use or putting in the dishwasher. Blending up your favorite morning smoothie before work is quick and easy, taking less than 60 seconds. Be wary of packing the blending containers too full. The motor is powered by 250 watts and may struggle if overloaded. If protein shakes are your thing, this is an ideal option. This blender is also compact and easily portable.